give it a boot. Alright, so we got the door off. She's a bit of a sorry sight. It's pretty kinked up. The tower's been unsettled and it's kind of pulled away from the body, from the rail a bit. But we'll see how we go on this side. If we can pull it out enough and get that tower to sit within like 15 mil of what the other one sits, we should be able to just seam weld it and it should be pretty sweet. I don't think we're going to get it out enough for it to be a street shell again, but may be able to get it out enough to be a good seat time car and just be able to drive it, get bulk track time still. Because if it comes out, you got a little bit of control on the track. You don't have control of old mate off the back of a 60-hour week running a stop sign directly into the side of it. So what we're going to do, I've got some steel strapping down there, it's like a couple mil thick. I'm going to get a hole saw out, drill some holes in it, put some tabs on it, and we're going to weld them onto the sill in certain places. Then we're going to tie it between two trees, pull pressure on the B-pillar, and then I got an endless chain and a come along, and we're going to hook it on and just ratchet it and slowly try to pull that sill out. Hopefully it brings the B-pillar with it when we got that bit of tension on it and gets it good enough to get another door in it. Oh, kind of. Down. Thing out. Yep. And turn the gas up. Go basically whatever it'll give you. Like 15 or something. Yeah. One? Yeah. What do you mean one? Yeah. So apparently the regulator on my teak just died. Like just suddenly, it just chose to die at that exact moment. So it just cooked the metal and just blew a hole in it straight away. Hopefully it hasn't fucked my tungsten because this is the only one I've actually got. Tree, wheel. Endless chain around the pillar so we can put pressure on it. Couple of tabs welded on with a little hand winch. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. What is it? On one line. I thought it was one line. This is fucking scary. See what you're doing. Oh yeah. I got my fucking 2 mil thick fucking alloy sign. Oh mate, it's rated for projectiles up to 120 miles per hour.
all the tin foot you were fucking.
I'm pushing against here.
Oh, fucking hell.
Yep. About what we all shut. Well, I don't know if we made it better or worse. She goes straight back in. That's not good. Wagon is not recoverable. It's just not going to work. There's split seams all the way from the front all the way up to the windscreen, and the whole tower's unsettled. B-pillar didn't come out right. So Shell just happened to pop up on Facebook, which is factory Skyline, so no having to make a gearbox mount. The rust in it it's there, but I should be able to repair it enough. I've been drinking since like 1 PM. I was having sad boy written off car drinks because I was sad. But then this one came up, so we're jumping on it and we're going. I have $31 left to my name after buying this Shell, which is kind of funny, but yeah, okay, I don't know where I'm going with this, but bye now. Ew! Whoop! He got him! Let's just... Whoop. Yeah, man. Alright, so now for the plan. What's going to happen? It's been a hard choice of what to do because I do love my wagon and it drove phenomenally at Matsuri, and I want to experience that again. But I also really want to kick the 33 build off. So what the decision I've come to is a fast, cheap reshell of this wagon into that white shell I've got out there, which some rust repair and stuff like that, but it's virtually direct slap the whole setup in and go. So that'll allow me to keep getting seat time. And if I've got a car on the road, I won't be rushing the 33 build so bad, which I'm going to be pushing for it because I really want it on the road because I've been driving the same car for a long time now. I want to get this started, but it's one of those things, it needs a lot of work. It needs a lot of work. Most of the brake lines are cut. Needs paint, panel. I'm missing the passenger side front door entirely, and the driver's one's not very good. Front end needs to be put on it. I'm missing guards. I'm missing bonnet. All the bumpers. There's heaps and heaps to do. I've got to piece together 2 factory harnesses to make a good one. It is a lot of work. A lot of work to get that going. Would have been way too long off the road for my liking to just kick straight into that and put this package directly in it. Just would have taken way too long to put it on the road. Would have got rushed, and the video series for it wouldn't have ended up as good. that's the plan. I don't want to keep rambling on too long about it. So we'll kick off the reshell, do that, then get whole hog, balls deep, whatever you want to say, into the 33 build. Because I really want to start it, and I know you guys want me to start as well. It's kind of just been sitting here. Either way, I think this is the right move to do, and this is going to be an awesome series, and I can't wait to make it. Like, I really want to build the car, and I really want to make the series about it. A quick note, if anyone has a lead on a passenger side front door, let me know, because I need one, and I can't find them. But anyways, if there's any suggestions for both cars, leave a comment below, and let me know what you think about the plan, because I'm open to options, and I'm open to opinions, and you guys might have an idea that I haven't thought of to do with one of them, and it might be amazing, and it might be just what I'm looking for, and I just haven't thought of it. But that's the plan anyway, because I want a seat time car, and I want to build that properly. So, what was I saying? Anyways guys, it's probably getting a bit blown out on time, so if you've made it through the end, thank you very much. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends about it if you think it's something they'll enjoy, and as always, appreciate you guys. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you on the next one.